Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to my unboxing channel. This is where we unbox sneakers, unbox life, and unbox tech. And for this vlog, I wanted to do something. I wanted to unbox something that was 9 months in the making and then share with you guys as well tips on how I was able to get this one. Guys, this is the YouTube silver play button and I was finally able to get it. I was finally able to cross 100,000 subscribers on YouTube after 9 months. And for this vlog, I want to share with you guys how I was able to do it. Let's go. Before we get to the tips, we gotta go to the unboxing. And again, I am just so thrilled to be able to do this because I put in so much hard work to be able to get to this point where I finally get the YouTube silver play button. So I'll cover it because it has my address. As you guys can see there, it says YouTube with the play button and it comes in that really nice black box. And if you pop it up, the first thing that you guys see is a letter from the CEO of YouTube. So you see there, the name is Susan Wojcicki. Sorry, apologies for butchering your name. And it says here, you've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. So I won't read the entire thing, but you guys get the idea. It comes with a really nice letter from YouTube. Then you have like a styrofoam. Oh, wow. Whew. 9 months. Guys, this is it. 9 months in the making. This is the YouTube silver play button in plastic. It says there, presented to Carlo Ople for passing 100,000 subscribers. And then you have the YouTube logo. So let's take it out of the plastic. I can't wipe the smile out of my face. Ha! Wow. So you have the silver play button over here. It just looks so nice, so amazing. And yeah, this just represents so much for me. Thank you to all the guys who've subscribed. Thank you to everybody who supported the channel, man. This feeling is just amazing. We will put it back in the box first because I will figure out a way to hang it behind me in the coming days ahead. Let's get to the tips. So this is the part where I share with you guys the lessons that I learned, and I hope that you guys will take to heart if ever you guys want to start your own YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number one, you need to be able to figure out what topic is it that you guys want to dominate or that you want to make your channel about. My tip, just write everything that makes you happy down in a piece of paper and then try to figure out and do a quick feasibility check on which one you guys can do. For example, I did tech, I did life, I did sneakers, work, and motivation, stuff like that. I ended up picking sneakers because I already tried tech in the past and I wanted something new. And that pretty much gave me the passion and the energy to keep on doing this even if I was really tired, because it was something that I enjoyed, it was something that I loved. It became a passion project which allowed me to be able to have much more energy. Number two, once you start creating content, the first layer of people that will give you support is your immediate network. So what you need to be able to do is to cross-promote all of the materials that you guys create, all the vlogs, all the videos that you do on your social networks, be it Facebook, Twitter, email, word of mouth, whatever it is, guys. Send those links out and get the word out that you have a vlog, that you have a YouTube channel, and make sure that you keep on asking them to subscribe so that you can keep on growing your base. Number three, you need to have the right gear, not the best gear, not the perfect gear. You need to have the gear that works for you. I just use a Canon M6, my smartphone, a cheap microphone, and a ring light to be able to do all the videos that I do. It doesn't have to be the best SLR camera, doesn't have to be the best microphone, as long as you have the basics right. What I do invest on though are memory products, and this is where I give a shout out to our sponsor and our partner, Kingston. When I was starting out this vlog, and I'm not saying this because they're a sponsor, I really invested in a lot of Kingston SD cards, USB sticks, and memory products, mainly because that I knew that they were reliable and that they wouldn't fail me. And this is really important, guys, for content creators, the SD cards and stuff like this, because all that needs to happen is for it to get corrupted. All that it needs for it to happen is for this to get broken, and all of that precious footage that you shot will go down the drain. With that said, that's the reason why I use the #1 memory brand in the world, Kingston. Check them out, link down below to their website as well as their social assets so that you guys can see what their products are. Highly recommend them. 2 thumbs up to Kingston. Number 4, you need to do collabs. You need to work with other YouTubers because that is one of the biggest sources of growth that you guys will have for your channel. Don't just keep working at it yourself. try to collaborate with as much YouTubers as you can. And at this point, I want to give a quick shout out to the YouTubers who've helped us along the way. Of course, we have DJ Big Boy Cheng, Sir Melton, we have Fresh, we have Paulo Tomenes, we have Christian of Sneaker Talk, we have Gio of Chummy TV, we have Adrian of Cop Garden, and a lot more of other YouTube channels that I get the pleasure and privilege of working with and collaborating with on this channel. Number 5, learn to be comfortable with your YouTube analytics, because your analytics will tell you what works and what doesn't. And when you find out what works, keep doing that. In short, you cannot expect different results if you keep doing the same thing. So you need to be experimental. You have to try different things, do a lot of testing, and see which works the best in increasing your subscriber base. And once you find that out, guys, keep on doing that. For me, that turned out to be the outlet videos, that turned out to be a lot of the sneaker shopping videos, not actually the sneaker reviews. The sneaker reviews are not as well performing as a lot of the shopping and actually the life talk videos that we guys do on this channel. Number 6, you should occasionally do promos and giveaways because it gives an incentive to the viewer to subscribe to your channel. It's kind of like a revolving door for a building. If they don't subscribe when they first see your channel, then they will just go out and not stay for the next showing. However, if you get them to subscribe, if you get them to hit the notification bell, then once they go inside the building, they stay inside and they see what's next. So it is absolutely critical that you get them to subscribe to your channel. And that's the reason why I do a lot of giveaways, because I want you guys to be part of the community. I want you guys to be part of this journey and this channel. Number 7, and this is probably the most important lesson that I want to share you, the support of your family. For me, it's the support of my loving wife. I wouldn't be able to do this without her support, without her understanding, because it takes a lot of time and effort to be able to do stuff like this, guys, to shoot videos, especially if you have a day job, especially if you have work. So this is on top of my work. This is on top of what I do. And I wouldn't be able to do it if I didn't have an understanding wife, a prayerful wife, a wife who just keeps on telling me that I can keep on doing what I believe in and that she supports me 100%. So yeah, I am very lucky and I hope that you guys are too. So yeah, those are the 7 tips that I came up with in being able to come up with a channel that grows to 100,000 after 9 months. The next goal, of course, is to hit 1 million. When that will come, I have no idea. If I take a look at Social Blade, they're telling me that I'll hit it after 2 to 3 years. That's too long for me. I really want to try to make a strong push and an effort to see if I can make it happen next year, by the end of 2019. I have no idea how to do that. I don't know if I can do it, but I will definitely try my hardest to make it happen. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out again to Kingston for supporting the channel, supporting this YouTuber, and I hope that you guys support them too because they support, again, this vlog. That's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!